Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made my fried spinach slash potato grains. So I wanted to cook and I didn't have enough potato grain. I had like two bundles that I had cut, so we're just in the freezer. So I didn't feel like going too far away to go to the market to buy more. So I just went to Walmart and bought the fresh spinach. And when I'm cooking spinach, I like to cook like the fresh spinach, the one that I can cut myself, instead of the frozen one in the bag. I don't like those ones. So yeah, so I went to Walmart, I bought the fresh one, excuse me, the fresh one, and then I cut it up and I combined the two, the potato green and spinach. It came out looking the same way potato green look. This, the same texture, the same, everything. So yeah, so if you didn't know you can make spinach out of soup, maybe the African way of cooking soup, yes you can. And I'm gonna make another video on like potato green with red oil. It's really nice. Yeah, so this is what I cooked today, guys. So I usually have the same meat in there, like crab, oxtail, turkey neck, shrimp, fish, all the usual meat. Most of I always use. Yeah, so I just want to say thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and I appreciate you, helping me to build this channel up. And if you see that, like I said, everybody cook differently. So if you, see that I cook mine different, or that's not how you cook, just let me know down below. Like share your thoughts about it and stuff. So if you are new to my channel and then you see that I didn't show the other steps like cutting the meat or seasoning the meat up and stuff like that, well, I'm going to link some of my other videos down so you can watch and see how I season my meat and stuff. It just like I didn't want the video to be too long, because at times it get boring. And if you are my old subscriber, you already know how I season my meat and what I do. So yeah, so that's why I didn't show all those steps. I just showed that the meat was already cooked and ready to be put in the soup. So yes, guys, thanks for watching one more time, and I really appreciate you guys, and I'm grateful to have you guys. So thank you so much, and thank you. So yeah, like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like and share with everybody, whosoever, anybody who want to learn how to cook African food or whatsoever, introduce this channel to them. And yeah, thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, thank you, bye guys, God bless you once again. Okay guys, well, this is how spinach look. If you don't know how fresh spinach look, so this is how it look. I wash it and then I cut it. I didn't show the cutting part because I have the potato greens ones. I'm going to leave the link down below if you want to know how I cut it. It's the same step. Like this, like spinach is easier to cut because it don't have a lot of, like, you don't have to take it off the vein, the stem and stuff like that. So it's way easier and faster to cut. So yeah, it was really easy for me to cut. So now it's cut. That's how it look. And the meat, everything is already cooked. Like I said earlier, I started cooking like last night. So I prepped everything up, boiled the meat, fried the fish, the chicken, everything. And then when I got up this morning, I just started cooking. So yeah, everything is already ready for the soup. So same with steps. Put your oil into the pot. As for measurements, I don't know, but I just know how much oil I need. So I just put it in the pot. I mean, if you don't know, maybe when you put the greens and then you see the greens too dry, you can always add extra oil, as you go. So yeah, I already blended my habanero, onion leaf, and garlic. So That's what I'm putting into the pot, the oil. When I'm frying my greens, I always do this step. I put the bland stuff into the oil and let it fry for like 2 minutes, at least 2 minutes. Like season it up, put some chicken flavor on there and season it up before I can actually put the green because I want the oil to be tasty too. So there you go, it's already fried a little bit. Now I'm putting my spinach in there. The spinach look just like potato greens, guys, like no difference. So just adding my spinach. In my potato green, I had already cut it, and this is how I prep it. I cut it and put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. So when I'm ready to cook, I can just take it out and and don't have to do all the other steps. So yeah, I'm just adding it up onto the spinach. Now I'm going to season it up with some chicken flavor, some accents, and 2 big Maggie cube and 2 small ones. Gonna put a little bit of soda on there so it can dissolve. It can, kind of come together and melt and get soft. Just adding a little extra water from the Ziploc bag because I had to put water in and try to get the rest of the greens out of it. So now I'm just checking it to see how it's frying. I had to check it like 3 times before I showed these steps. You let it cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Like you would know when it's cooked. So now I know it's cooked to this point, and now I can just add the meat and everything else. So now I'm adding the chicken, the fried chicken and stuff. Just like the sun, light up the earth, it lights up my life. The only one I ever see with a smile so bright. Hey, and just yesterday, you came around my way. You changed my horse in way with your astonishing beauty. And I'm adding my meat on there. I had to cook a little bit of soup on the side, so it's like a sneak peek. I'm going to show you guys me cooking my pepper soup. So I had to use some of the meat from here too and cook that soup. So I'm just stirring it, guys. Always make sure you stir your soup, because you don't want it to burn. So you always have to stir the soup from like the bottom and be careful so that you don't break the meat. So yeah, I'm just tasting it to make sure the seasoning, everything is okay. So it wasn't that much, so I went ahead and add like 1 big Maggie cube and 1 small one, just so the salt and everything gets sit in there. I don't cook with salt, but my seasoning give me salt, so I had to save that, the rest of the turkey on the side for my pepper soup. So yeah, just in case if you're wondering. I'm just adding, I add some of the broth from the meat, from the boiled meat. So I added broth in there to, let it boil a little bit with the meat, and so everything can just marinate with one another. I added fish in there. Now I'm adding the 1 beef Maggie cube. I had to break it into pieces because you don't want to drop the whole thing. It might not dissolve. Maybe you see like big chunk of Maggie cube in there. You don't want that, so you always have to try to break it off. Break it before you dash it in there. Yes, I know. You are my African queen, and I know. See, I know what I am feeling in my heart and in my soul. Oh, I know that it's this love, and I know. So as for right now, you're just gonna let it cook, on low heat or medium heat, and keep stirring it till the water is dry. Like now the water is, getting really really dry, low. So I'm just keep stirring it like every maybe 2 to 3 minutes. I stir it up, and stuff. So yes, guys, that's how I cook my spinach and potato greens. I mean, no different step. It's the same thing. So yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to teach you guys with my pepper soup. At this during this time, the winter time, it's cold outside. People get sick. Your nose is running. You need something hot to kill all those germs and stuff like that. So I always make sure and cook pepper soup and keep it just in case, because my daughter loves fufu. So when she wants some fufu, I can just warm it up, make the fufu and give it to her. So I always make sure and make my little pepper soup and stuff like that. That will last for the next maybe a week or so. So yeah. So as you can see, guys, the green is all dry. It's getting there. Just let it cook on very low heat because you don't want it to burn and stuff like that. So thanks for watching once again, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So thanks again, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and God bless you.